What's the meaning of banshee? Banshee. Banshee.
Banshee. Banshee. The term banshee originates from Irish folklore and refers to a female spirit who wails mournfully as a harbinger of death. The banshee is often depicted as a pale woman with long hair who wears a white dress and is seen washing blood-stained clothes by the river. She is known to appear to members of certain Irish families as a warning that someone is about to die. In some cases, the banshee may also bring comfort to those who are mourning the loss of a loved one. Despite the eerie association with death, the banshee is considered to be a respected figure in Irish mythology.